Did you know Microsoft Teams is the most widely used communication platform in today's workplaces? It's no longer just for meetings. Teams has become the central hub for chatting, planning, and getting work done. In many organizations, it's where the work begins and where it stays. Now, let's see how to set the integration up. Open Microsoft Teams and go to the Apps section. Search for Workflows and select Post to a channel when a webhook request is received from tenant users. Give your workflow a clear name, then choose the team and channel where you want to receive Brand24 alerts. Make sure to pick a standard channel as others may not support the integration. When you're done, click Add Workflow. Then, go to Manage your workflow in the bottom left corner and select Edit in the top left. Click the first step of the flow and change who can trigger the flow to anyone. Save the changes and wait a moment to make sure they apply. Finally, check the webhook URL. If it contains this fragment, you can copy the entire link. You'll use it in the next step. In your Brand24 dashboard, click the plugin icon in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Teams/Slack. Then, click Add Teams Notifications. Paste the webhook URL you copied from Teams. Next, choose the project you want to connect. If you'd like, you can also set up a filter to send only specific mentions. It's optional, but helpful if you want to stay focused on certain topics. Once you're ready, just click Connect, and that's it! From now on, Brand24 alerts will appear in the Teams channel you choose. A few tips to remember. You can create filters in the Mentions tab, each tied to a specific project. Filters help you control what gets sent to Teams. If you want to change the webhook URL or the channel, you'll need to delete the existing workflow and start a new one. Remember, one flow equals one Teams channel. If you want to send alerts to multiple channels, you'll need to create a separate flow for each. But you can also use one flow for multiple projects or filters as long as they all go to the same channel. That's it! You're all set up. Your mentions are now coming straight into Teams, where your team can see and act on them right away. And if you need help at any point, your Brand24 account manager is always there to guide you. Ready to connect?